Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Larry Snow, and in today's video we're taking a first look at the Mailchimp stores. So let's get started. So I'm logged into my Mailchimp dummy account, or an old legacy account that is now free. I don't pay for it. The Mailchimp store is free. And so you can set it up with a Mailchimp free account. So that's a good thing. So the first thing you have to do is go to your website area, and you'll see store with a new icon and appointments with a new icon. Now I did a video not too long ago with the first look at appointments, and you can go look at that right there. But let's continue on with the store. So one of the things that you absolutely need is a Mailchimp website. So I've set up a real quick free Mailchimp website. So step one, set up your website on Mailchimp. So let's dive into the store setup. So we go to store. Now Mailchimp does have a nice little nifty checklist guide that you can go through, which is what we will do. And if you scroll down a little bit, it tells you how it works. You can start with a product, and it gives you estimated time frames as how long it will take. Okay, so let's click on Start Your Store, and it's going to ask you a business name. Since I've already started the website, and this is the company name of the account, Mailchimp account that I have, it's going to use that same business name. But I'm going to just take off the Inc. Just a little bit abbreviation there. Click on Continue. Now the next step is to upload an image and to start a product. So you get a product name, price, and description. So let's go find an image. All right, so there's our product image. We'll scroll down and do product name. Let's do new wooden, what are they, spatulas? I don't know, spatulas or spoons. You put in a price, so we'll do $1, and then you put in a description. Now, one of the things that Mailchimp is striving here is with the product name and the product description, because this website is going to be public, is that this is going to be your SEO juice. So make sure you're putting in your keywords and all that good stuff. I'm just going to leave that blank for now. So we're going to click on Save Product. Okay, so it says, voila, you've added your first product to your store. I'm going to click on Continue Store Setup. So it says, almost there, complete the actions in this checklist to finish the setting up your store. And so it gives you the full URL of your store. It gives you what your store is going to look like right here on the product page. So I can click on that and click a preview of my product page. So that's kind of neat that they give you that. Now, the next step is to confirm your business address, and they give you why they need this information, and it's basically to calculate your tax rate, and it will also show up inside your website. So we'll do that now. Okay, we've confirmed our address. Now it says set up your shipping. Now here's the first thing that I think is a con for me, because it doesn't offer the opportunity to do a digital product. This is only for physical shipping or physical products that you ship. So keep that in mind when you're building out your store. Now, I suppose you could offer zero shipping, but then there'll be zero shipping for your entire store. So you can't do it per product. So we're going to set up our shipping. And you can do a flat rate depending on what provider you're going to use, UPS, FedEx, USPS. So you'd put in your standing shipping, and you can put in an expedited shipping as optional or add a rush shipping. So we'll do 0 on the rate just to do that. So standard shipping for domestic, we can do expedited. We'll say that's $5 and click save. And then we'll do add rush, and that is $10. And click save. So over on the right hand side, it says stuck on shipping. These tips can help. So check with your carrier and all that good stuff. So then once we're done with our shipping options, we'll click on back to store setup. So along our list here, we've added our first product. We've confirmed our business address. Your shipping options are looking good. So the next step is setting up Stripe. Now this is your only payment gateway that they offer at this time. I don't know if they'll ever offer a PayPal. The two things that you have to know about the payment gateway and the payment processing is that Stripe takes 2.9% of your total. That's their cut. Mailchimp takes a cut as well. They take 2% of your order total. So it's about 5% cut off your order total right off the top. So let's click on Connect to Stripe, and Mailchimp will walk you through these steps in order to get Stripe connected. And they'll start you off with the email. They say if you do not have a Stripe account, you can set it up right through here. And you can use your email that's used for your Mailchimp account. Or if you have a Stripe account, you can type it in here. We'll click Next. And then the password associated with your Stripe account, and click on Login. Now you might get a prompt to verify the login. And that's what we'll do here. Okay, we've verified the login. We've got to select our account. We've done that. We click Next. And then they want to have some legal identifying information and some basics. Click Next. So we have to select the business owner next. We'll click Done and Continue. So they're going to review all of your details that you've entered into Stripe, which is a lot of information. I even had to go back and forth a couple of times just to verify everything. Once you've done all of your Stripe integrations, you scroll down to the bottom and click Submit. Mailchimp is saying your store is ready. Let's hit that button. So if you go down through the checklist, you've added your first product, you confirmed your business address, your shipping options are looking good, you connected your store to Stripe. We've got our product up there. So we can go up here and click on Publish Site. And it's also, again, warning you of the transaction fees. So Mailchimp takes their cut, Stripe will take their cut, processing fees, transaction fees, all that lovely stuff, legalese. And you probably want to take a look at the additional terms for stores. I highly recommend that you do that. But for this video, we'll click on Accept Terms and Publish. Your store is live. And we can go and share a link with the world. All right, so there's our store. So if we click on the link, so here is our spatulas or spoons, ? Click on it. It will take you to a description of the item, the ability to add in quantities, and then add to cart. And a little pop-up will show that says View Cart. Also, you have a little shopping cart icon up here, like a little mouse over action, and then click on View Cart. And we don't have shipping because I entered in 0. And then we click on Continue to Checkout. And it asks you for your shipping information and your payment method and all of that good stuff. So there you go. That is a quick first look at the Mailchimp store. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll leave links to a whole bunch of stuff in the description that you can go check it out and maybe fill in the blanks that I haven't, into some information that I haven't talked about. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe because there's more videos coming. Thanks, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.